We're starting a new chapter here in Laurel and looking for a new adventure.
We really love the hometown feel here. We raised our kids in a small town. When you come to Mississippi and you drive into Laurel, it's like you exhale.
The goal when we move here is to have a house that kind of complements all our lifestyles.
We have people over all the time. We need a house that has a good kitchen.
They want an outdoor space for grilling.
It would really feel magical to have an ensuite where we have a freestanding tub and a separate shower.
They're not worried about the specific architecture, but they want historic architectural charm in the house. Welcome to the Magola house.
Wow.
Super cute.
This house is 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1,700 square feet, and it's listed for $135,000.
I love the porch.
Yeah.
So cute.
I think you're gonna be charmed by it.
Oh, wow. Super cute.
This is the living room.
Living room. Okay.
Yep, and this is the dining room here.
Love the dining room.
Love the fireplace.
A great little bookshelf built in here.
I love that.
Really cute.
Yeah.
I like the tall ceilings.
And the cute arch. Yeah, this is
The arches are what make this house kind of special. The changes we would propose would just be paint, lighting, and refinishing the floors is everything.
Okay.
And then the kitchen.
Okay.
Wow.
It's got that great little arch doorway.
Okay, yeah, I love the arch. It feels kind of small, and I feel like the appliances are in odd places.
Yep.
Weird layout.
Super weird. How do you make this kitchen better? Here's what we think. We have to push this wall back, steal a little of the closet space from that room, so you can then have one flush run of cabinets against this wall, and you would have your oven and your hood vent and your refrigerator built into those cabinets on that side. We would lose this peninsula here, and on this side you keep the sink under the window, but the refrigerator wouldn't be here. You would have more counter space, all new custom cabinetry over here too, and then you could have a little like baker's table, like an island in the middle, and then open up a bigger arched cased opening that matches the one on this side. Pull up the tile floor and refinish the wood underneath. We would lose this window and make it French doors with steps down to a stone patio that would feel like a little courtyard, very secluded, very private. We'd use paver stones and a herringbone pattern for the new patio and a grilling area, a fire pit, and warm, pretty string lights around the perimeter. And then all new landscaping in the yard. It would become a really pretty little oasis.
It's not the big yard that y'all wanted,
Yeah.
but it could be awesome.
I can see it.
The Magola house is listed at $135,000. All of this would be $105,000, so it comes in at $240,000.
Okay.
So still under your budget.
Yeah.
And then we want to show you another house that's very fresh. It's been recently updated.
Okay.
It's got a bigger lot.
Okay.
You may love it. Okay. Heather next.
Yeah, let's do it.
Sullivan house.
Oh, wow.
It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,500 square feet, and this one's listed for $140,000.
Okay, come on in. I think you'll be surprised by how nice it is, right?
Nice.
I love all the light. That just makes me happy.
These floors.
Wow, the
Floors
floors
are beautiful. And I also love that there's a place for built-ins, and I really like that at the other house.
So here's what we're thinking.
Okay.
You can vault this ceiling.
Really?
So you would have lots of headroom. We would paint it something a little bit more colorful, like a light blue
That
might
would
be nice in
pretty.
here.
That'd be beautiful.
Pull out this heater and freshen up the fireplace. I really like that brick. I actually think it has a lot of character and it's a pretty brick. And pull down the acoustic tile in that dining room.
Okay.
Change the paint, change the light. It's, you know, it's just bland.
Doesn't seem functional.
It doesn't seem functional.
Yeah.
But at least it's very nice and clean,
yes,
right?
right.
The only way we improve this kitchen is we have to subtract this door and add it to this side, basically, by giving you a big cased opening. We can go up a little bit higher so it wouldn't be so close to the top
I
of your
would like
head.
that.
We could add a peninsula
Oh,
here.
that would be great.
So you would have tons of counter space, keep the sink where it is.
Oh, I
and
love
then
that.
on this side, you would have your refrigerator built into custom cabinetry, and it would wrap all the way around this wall where your oven and hood vent would go. And pull up these floors and see if the original oak is under this.
Usually when we see that step up like that,
Okay.
usually means there's wood
Just
floors
like the other
underneath.
house.
Okay.
We don't know till we uncover it. But this kitchen would be a $40,000 kitchen.
Wow,
Oh,
holy
okay.
smokes.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow.
Look at this.
It's
Wow.
wild out
Wow.
there, okay?
It's so serene and so green and lush.
That was a little porch that they turned into a closet.
Oh
And
my
we'll
goodness.
turn it into a big deck on the back of the house so that you
Yeah.
can grill, have parties out here with steps that go down to this. It's almost like a terrace.
Amazing.
Unexpected.
Yeah, it is
From the
unexpected.
front, you can't tell that it's
Yeah.
that big.
It's like a little piece of paradise.
Both houses end up around 240,000.
Okay.
It's a tough choice.
This one's got a bigger yard. The other one's got a bigger bedroom,
Taller ceilings.
taller ceilings.
Yeah.
They both
do.
have things that I absolutely love.
Yeah.
That's what's going to make it so hard. We have made a decision.
It wasn't easy.
We going Magola or Sullivan?
Well, we loved the corner lot on the Magola house.
Okay.
Curb appeal was definitely there. But in the end, the big yard won, and we decided on the Sullivan house.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love that house for y'all.
And we liked your vision
Yeah.
of especially that back patio. That really sold us.
Oh, look at the flooring. I just love it. They used to do such cool retro patterns. So we have wood floors, but they're in pretty bad shape, and I don't think they can be saved, so back to the drawing board.
Get it, Katie.
We have brick, and it's a nice brick.
It's so clean. I mean, like, we rarely find them where, like, all the mortar's intact like that.
A little bit of brick goes a long way.
This kitchen had no personality, no
Wow.
character.
Yeah.
So this is really nice to see something with a little history.
She's looking like $1 million. She's changing up her ways.
Excited to see this progress. Imagine stepping out on this awesome deck. Woo! We are decked out.
Decked out, man.
You got a little bit of a terrace going on. This canopy back here.
Tons of privacy.
This is the closest to Hawaii I've ever been.
Same here.
The Sullivan's living room is looking so good. We've removed the ceiling and we've exposed the rafters, so now we can actually begin the vaulting. And it's already feeling so much more open and grand. And in the kitchen, when the ceiling tiles came down, we uncovered actually a pretty nice surprise. Tongue and groove pine was underneath on the ceiling and the walls. And then in the bedroom, both closets are framed up, and that creates a little hug of a hallway to the ensuite bathroom. It's all really exciting.
This is gonna transform this house. So Laramie and Deshaun and I are vaulting the ceiling. Today's the day.
The inside is bursting with character and texture and personality, and it had none before.
This has been really fun, y'all. Welcome to the Sullivan house.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's beautiful! It looks so different!
What is that kiss? I'm shaking.
It is so pretty.
Good.
I love it.
I'm so
Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Wow.
goodness.
Wow.
So.
The fan.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, the ceiling.
The same. This room was transformed structurally by giving you a vaulted ceiling and this lighting.
Beautiful.
It looks twice as big. I can't believe how it opened up the room and the lights and the fan. I love that fan.
You won't hit your head on that fan.
It's perfect. Oh my gosh, the
nailed
built-in shelves and the mantle. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh my goodness. It
I am
is
shocked.
amazing. Oh my gosh.
goodness.
Is this even the same house?
This is it.
These were there?
We uncovered the ceilings, and I thought it was a nice cottagey textured moment to leave.
They're so pretty. Oh my goodness, it doesn't even look the same.
Go see this kitchen.
Look at it. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful.
Papa Tony's going to be very happy.
Oh my gosh, we have brick flooring.
The wood was in such bad condition, we just really couldn't find a way to make it work.
Yeah.
But I thought this was a flooring that made sense here. Your eyes can't stop sweating.
You like historic architectural charm, and so we tried to hold on to as much
Tried
of
to
that.
keep everything we could.
It had that office, lunchroom, kitchen, and this is gourmet.
That backsplash, whose idea was
That
that?
is so pretty.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Papa Tony's Restaurante. The kids are gonna love that.
Who is hungry?
I'm starving.
Please, yes.
What are we gonna have?
All of your appliances are Mississippi made.
Honey, look at the range.
I'm gonna cry again. Oh my goodness.
It's just such a family gathering place. People can sit here and people can be sitting at the table. You guys nailed it. What? What? It's beautiful. Wow.
People are afraid to put a bed in front of the windows, but I think it's charming.
Fits
It
perfect.
looks perfect.
To wake
I
up in the
love-
morning
yeah.
and throw the curtains open.
Yep.
And the color of the walls.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
Very
And the
cozy.
two closets, hers and hers, maybe.
Okay.
Y'all can work that out.
Tony got a kitchen.
That's
Wow,
right.
that's all
You
I
get
you
two
know?
closets. I think that the bathroom is my favorite room in the house.
Yeah. Go find your sea glass.
What?
Oh my.
Oh my. Wow.
Will that work?
Oh my
No
word.
way.
It's perfect. And look at the tile.
It's the
It's
tile.
the tile.
It reminded me of the story of your sea glass necklace that your daughter made.
Nailed
Absolutely.
it.
It's perfect.
Is absolutely beautiful.
Wow.
Matches perfect.
Yeah.
I'm glad you remembered.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Tony, this tub, you can fit in this tub.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is so pretty. It's huge.
I mean, there was nothing here. You know, this was a closet at the end of the hall.
Right.
And we opened up these walls and found it was actually a porch.
This is so nice to have the little walkway out. And I love the detail on the handrail.
Yeah.
Adds a little something.
Yeah, it sure does. And the color too. Love the color.
Changed the whole view.
It did. It changed the
Completely.
whole view.
I love that you bought this house. It was not an ugly house. It just felt so boring. And you've brought so much life and personality to this end of the street. So thank you for that.
Thank you for that.
Little drop of California sunshine.
Yeah.
So you got the house for $140,000. The renovation was $100,000, and you're all in $240,000.
You captured the essence of what we were looking for.